How to get a Spotify Premium. So whether you are using your PC or mobile, it doesn't matter because the steps is same for both of the devices. First thing first, open any browser of your choice and on the web address bar type in Spotify Premium. Then press enter on the keyboard. Then this will take you to the results section where you need to click on this first thing that says Spotify Premium. So Spotify Premium is a digital music service that give you access to ad-free music listening of million of songs. You can try free for 3 months as well. So let's click on the link and here you can select sign up button at the top right corner of the screen. Then here you need to click on sign up button again and here you need to enter the email address or you can sign up with Google, Facebook or with Apple as well. So let's click here the email address or enter the email address. Then after that press the next button. Create a password and click on next button again. You need to enter the details of your own. So your name, date of birth and the gender and click on next button. And here are the terms and conditions. You have to go through it and you need to click on this boxes and check mark the boxes and click on the sign up button. If you want to save the password, you can click on save or right click on never button. If you wish to download Spotify, you can download the Spotify as well from the Microsoft Store. So let's click on Premium at the top of the screen and let's click on Premium Individual for one person. And here you can click on try for free for 1 month. And here you can easily choose your plan or you can also change plans and here you can choose the way that you want to make the payment methods. You can either choose PayPal or you can enter the credit or debit card. So let's click on it and you can easily enter the credit card number, expiry date and the security code and you can also check mark this box that says safeguard for future references and click on buy now button. After you have entered all your payment details and buy it, you can also start free month or you can get free trials or you can also try the premium for free for some durations. So I hope this way you can easily make or get the Spotify premium.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new and press the notification bell for more updates.